What you are seeing right now are two French ships arriving at the Kochi port. The ships are being welcomed by the Indian Navy band at the port. Senior officers of the Navy were also present at this particular ceremony. The massive white ship is the assault helicopter carrier Tonnerre, and the smaller one is the Surkov frigate. Tonnerre is carrying more than 600 officers and cadets, including 150 freshly inducted young cadets who will be participating in the naval exercise as part of the final phase of their training. The French ships have reached the Kochi port to lead a naval exercise dubbed La Pérouse, set to get underway on April 5th in the Bay of Bengal. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and I will tell you why the La Pérouse naval exercise is important to India and our Navy. While La Pérouse is a maritime exercise led by France, what's special about it is that it is for the first time that the Indian Navy will take part in the exercise, as it was not invited until now. What's more significant is the participation of the navies of the Quad nations. Yes, the navies of Australia, Japan and the United States will also be taking part in this massive 3-day exercise. So in short, La Pérouse this year has turned into a Quad plus France maritime exercise. But why is France interested in joining hands with the Quad nations? Well, there are a couple of quick reasons. For one, France is interested in the Indian Ocean region, and secondly, it's deteriorating diplomatic relations with China. France joining hands with the Quad nations that recently met to discuss the Indo-Pacific and ways to keep China's growing influence in check is in itself a message. France's interest in the region and India being invited for the exercise shows growing cooperation between like-minded countries in their response to Chinese aggression in the Indian Ocean region. After La Pérouse exercise, the two French ships, Tonnerre and Surkov, will head for Japan and will return to France after 5 months. But before that, another important naval exercise, Varuna, which takes place every year between the navies of India and France, will take place. This year, Varuna exercise will also see the United Arab Emirates taking part, and it will take place in the last week of April in the Western Indian Ocean. The big takeaway from all of this is India's increased maritime diplomacy, which involves conducting and participating in exercises involving several friendly countries to keep China in check. Looking back in December 2020, Indian and Vietnamese navies undertook a passage exercise in the South China Sea. The Indian Navy also conducted war games with the navies of Singapore and Thailand in the Andaman Sea. Not just that, under its neighborhood first policy, the Indian Navy conducted joint exclusive economic zone surveillance with Maldives, Seychelles and Mauritius, as well as coordinated patrols or CORPATs with Bangladesh, Thailand and Indonesia. And just yesterday, maritime exercise PASEX between the navies of India and US concluded. All in all, the Indian Navy has taken part in as many as 13 bilateral and multilateral exercises so far this year. What do you have to say about Indian Navy's flurry of activity, exercises and war games? Do you feel it's a step in the right direction with a firm eye on China? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've liked the content that I've shared with you, make sure you like and share this video, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.